just leaving the body.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. How cool is that though? Driving down the street, see this big ass TV, and there's a video of me on it, doing a few tricks on a trampoline and a scooter. Anyway, so, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're doing a daily dash. I already filmed like most of this video, but it was on a freeway and it was all bumpy, and I went back to listen to sound. Horrible. Anyway, so, today we're at Best Buy. I am buying a microphone so that way my podcasts sound better. Podcast interviews, whenever I do it on Zoom. I've been interviewing a lot of people lately, but I go back and I listen to it and I'm like, man, this quality sucks. And I also have a podcast, but we have like a full-on studio for that and like really expensive microphones and stuff that make it sound really good, but I don't bring all that equipment around. So I'm trying to get like a cheap, portable, not cheap, but like pretty good, affordable, portable. Man, we are coming up with some rhyming words lately. First we got actual, factual, now we got affordable, portable. Anyways, so we're trying to get an affordable, portable microphone. Affordable, portable. Try to say it that fast 3 times. Affordable, portable. Can't do it. Anyways, so today's video, I hope, does not come off as cocky, and I hope you guys can take inspiration from and kind of look at the way that I've kind of transformed my financials and basically my life from making $2,000 a month as a delivery driver to about $20,000 in a month. And I'm not saying I'm consistently making $20,000 in a month, but it's looking like I would be making pretty significant money for the rest of the year, unless COVID comes around or something like that and cancels all my shows and like everything. Anyway, so I'm going to talk to you guys about how I did it, how I've kind of gone through this entrepreneur journey, and everything is finally coming together within the last like 2 months, you know? So basically, the beginning of COVID, I had basically put all my eggs in the stunt show business, and obviously that whole thing crashed and burned. So I had 23 shows booked, over $100,000 worth of shows, and they all disappeared within 48 hours around March 15th, a week before the tour started. So I was like, well, the only videos that are paying well on my YouTube channel are gig driving stuff. So I was like, all right, I'm going to go full-time on gig driving YouTube stuff. Obviously, you guys have joined the channel, so thank you guys. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you guys want a good way to contact me, follow me on Instagram. That's probably the best way, because YouTube comments blow through in like an hour or so, and if I don't see them in an hour, they're gone basically. Anyway, so enough shout outs. Basically, the YouTube channel has gone from about $250 a month is what I started at a year ago, and now it's grown to just ad revenue is at $2,500. It actually was higher last month. It was at $2,750, and this month it's down $2,500. I don't understand why the views go, like with views going up it goes down, but I think it's because less people are advertising this month. I don't know. Anyways, I don't understand it, but we made about $2,500 on ad revenue. Also made around $3,500, $4,000-ish. I'm not sure yet of the complete number, through sponsorship deals and other stuff on my YouTube channel and podcast sponsorship deals just in total. And again, I hope this doesn't come off as cocky. I'm just trying to show you guys, so that way maybe you guys can be inspired to start your own YouTube channel, or like take a look at Pedro. Pedro is a perfect example of this. He started his YouTube channel, I think he said like 4 or 5 months ago, and he's already at like almost 4,000 subscribers, and he's making money. Like, YouTube is passive income, you know? I'm making money off videos I filmed 3 to 4 years ago. Anyways, okay, so YouTube revenue around $6,000 to $7,000. Stunt show, or the show that I'm performing in, is about $4,800 per month. That's just standard. Also, it's a little bit more actually, because it's per week. So anyways, we'll just say $5,000 and make it a solid round number. And of course, I'm going to talk about the footwear company, and a lot of people are going to get mad at me for like clickbaiting this and saying like it's because of gig driving that allowed me these opportunities to create these businesses and stuff. And the footwear company is making, this month we did really well because we had 100 shoe orders come in, which is just that's $9,000 in total, just those two, you know. Okay, and then with other sales and stuff, there was another $3,000 to $4,000 or so. What I'm getting at is, I hope you guys can open your mind to making different, because the three incomes I just named, they're completely separate, you know. YouTube, gig driving stuff, totally separate from acrobatics. I'm an acrobat, making money that way. My footwear company, totally separate, you know. And also gig driving, I think it probably only made like $400 last month. Not really something I need to include in that, but what I'm trying to get at is hopefully you guys can open your minds to different ways of making money. Like I would have never, a couple of years ago, I would have never thought that I had a footwear company, and I never would have thought that I would have a gig driving YouTube channel. But COVID kind of forced me into the corner and was like, okay, you're going to be a Doordash driver. And all I've done for the last year is basically listen to audiobooks and nonstop information. Like I have this freaking thing in my ear all day long, and I've been listening to audiobooks every day. My biggest inspiration is the Patrick Bet David podcast. Hopefully you guys can like go check out his channel, because I think it's so valuable and there's so much information in there. And the book he wrote, this book has really changed my perspective in the last month, because I've read it 3 times in the last month. Listen to it though, not read. I never read anything. It takes too much time. And it's really opened my mind to a lot of different things. So I'm hoping this, like, you guys can take inspiration from this. Maybe start a YouTube channel. Other sources of passive income are starting a blog. I think a blog is a great, like, for someone who's not a YouTuber kind of personality, maybe a blog is though, because it's passive income. You get clicks from ads and stuff, and the more, it's like a YouTube channel, the more you feed it, the more it's going to grow, and it kind of grows at an exponential rate. Like one month I was making it was like extra 80 subscribers, and then there was 200 subscribers, and then there was 400, and then there was 800. You know, it's like an exponential rate. It grows. It doesn't just go like, it's not like you're always going to be getting like 50 new subscribers a month. It grows. The second month you're going to get 100. The third month you're going to get 200, something like that. So hopefully you guys can take inspiration from what is my story of the last year. Like, I was struggling hard at the beginning of this year. Not this year, but like 1 year ago. I was struggling real hard. We had just made a giant investment into the footwear company, and I was literally, like, if you guys go back a year and look at my daily dashes, you can tell I'm like struggling for money and stuff. I was not making good money. But because I had dug myself in these big holes where I invested all the money I had basically into the footwear company. And yeah, it's like, I always tell people, if you want to be an entrepreneur, would you work for 3 years for free to start making an exponential amount of money on the 4th year? Because that's basically what it was for me. And if you guys watched my, I talked about this the other day in my behind the scenes as an acrobat, or a day in the life of the acrobat, but no one watches that video. I'm like, this is my favorite video I've made all year, and no one watches it because it has nothing to do with gig related stuff. But anyways, if you guys want to watch the behind the scenes kind of stuff and other things that I do in the day, go check out that video. I really liked that video. But anyways, so gonna go into Best Buy real quick. I think I touched on all the things that I wanted to talk about. Some things that I think would help people in growing their finances and like give you ideas, because ideas is how you get any kind of success. It's just ideas that come to your head. Like my footwear company was an idea that came into my head, and I grabbed that idea, and I am very big on, if an opportunity is presented, grab it right then and there. Like the other day, someone was like, oh, I know this live entertainment coordinator who works in Tahoe. And I was like, give me his information right now. I will send that email right now with all of our show information. And I sent it right then and there. So when opportunities arise, you got to grab them right then and there. Don't sit on it. Do not sit on ideas, because then you just forget about it later. You got to do stuff right then and there. I don't let anything pile up in my brain, or video wise, or any of that kind of stuff. Nothing piles up. I do it right then and there. So you got to stay on top of stuff. That is crucial. I think the audiobooks and informational podcasts is other, like, that's where I get my ideas from. Think and Grow Rich was huge for me. Think and Grow Rich, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. That book will literally change your life. I think the 5 steps, or Your Next 5 Moves by Patrick Bet-David, that book I just finished reading 3 times. That one's huge, but it's also for someone who's more like already like on the entrepreneur journey. I think Rich Dad, Poor Dad is something that'll kind of help guide you on like where you want to go and teach you about how you need to make your money work for itself. If your money is not working for itself, you know you're working for the money. You don't want, like, most of the ways that I make money are off investments that I made before, like the footwear company. That was just a $25,000 investment that we made earlier in the year, and now that investment is starting to pay off pretty well. You know, it's like you need to make your money work for itself. Otherwise, you'll always be working for your money. My biggest thing, like today was Monday. Today was my payday for basically, I got paid for YouTube last month. I get paid for the stunt show. I get paid from sponsorship deals. And as soon as I saw that chunk of change in my bank account, I was like, get rid of it. Like, invest it. Where am I going to invest it? So I invested half of it into crypto, half into stocks. Question of the day. Do you guys invest more into stocks, or do you guys invest more into crypto? Let me know which one you invest into. Comment down below. And which one is your favorite? So personally, just to get off topic real quick, because I love this question. I've been asking a lot of people it lately. I invest, so the biggest stock in my portfolio is UFC stock. I just love UFC. I'm a huge fan of the UFC, and I don't know, straight up, I don't know that that's going to be my best paying stock. I just wanted to put money into the UFC, basically. That's my biggest stock. Second biggest one is Tesla. Tesla and Apple, I believe, are about the same. And for crypto, it is XRP, because I'm waiting for that coin to blow up. Like, I've been buying into that coin since it was at 27 cents, and it went up to $1 like 20 or so with it like a week ago, and now it's, oh, my camera's overheating, and now it's at like I don't know, it's at 66 cents. Oh, my camera is really hot. Okay, I'll get back to you guys. I'm gonna go to Best Buy, buy a microphone. My camera is on fire right now. Be right back. Does this ever happen to you guys? I'm trying to log in and it keeps saying, oops, Dash has already been checked in. Like, what is going on here? Oh, now I'm dashing, huh? Oh, no, okay. What is going on here? Doordash is PMSing. Clearly. Anyways, I made a huge mistake today and wore pants. And let's see how hot it is, because it's 97 degrees and I'm wearing freaking jeans right now. I didn't realize it because I live in a casino and basically don't see the weather ever. I come outside and man, I am sweating. We got swamp butt like crazy. Anyway, so we are gonna sit here and try to get a dash that takes me back towards the casino where I live, because I live at the GSR, which is a Grand Sierra Resort in Reno, Nevada, because I'm performing in the circus show. So if you guys want to check out the circus show that I'm in, it's called Viva La Cirque in Reno, Nevada. We're here for another month, in like month and a half or so. No, actually just basically a month. But yeah, if you want to see some cool stuff, check out the circus show. Also, real quick, I want to shout out the Para app. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you download the Para app. Click it at the top of the description down there. The Para app is basically going to give you full tip transparency, and it's going to help you see all of the correct like prices that you're going to get paid for the orders, because DoorDash likes to hide tips from you guys, and I think that's wrong. So that's why I'm supporting the Para app. So make sure you guys click on that link down below, right in the description. Download the Para app. Get full tip transparency. Anyways, speaking of Para app, I gotta download it. I mean, not download it. Turn on tip transparency. Para. Full payout is on. Basically, okay, so this is what I got. Check it out. think I'm gonna interview the rideshare guy, actually. He just reached out to me, which is kind of cool because I just reacted to his video the other day, and I kind of like the guy's channel after I watched his interview with the president. So hopefully I can get him on and bust out this new microphone. Never thought I would ever have a gaming headset, and it's definitely not for gaming because I've never played video games basically my whole life. The last time I played a video game was probably like 13 years old or something like that. So long ago. Like, I have not ever been into video games really. Yeah, so I got this awesome mic. It was $110. Gives me a headset. It is, I kind of like, I was not sure if I wanted to get wireless or not wireless, so I got the one with the wire. I don't know. There's something about like the simplicity of having a wire. I know everything is going towards Bluetooth and stuff, but I feel like maybe it messes up like the feed, or like, I don't know, maybe it makes my computer work harder. I don't know. Should I have gotten wireless? Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, so we got a wired headset and a dongle. So if I want to double up these headphones, I can just use them as headphones to listen to podcasts and stuff. They're really expensive, so I'm definitely going to use the crap out of them. Anyways, okay. Still have not gotten in an order. What should we do? What should we do? Alright, I'll be right back. Ooh, Barnes & Noble. Oh, finally my camera will turn back on. So basically, I just walked through Barnes & Noble. Didn't find anything interesting. I have not gotten a single dash yet. It's been about 20 minutes since we last spoke. And then I came back and my camera was overheating because it was sitting in the seat because it's so damn hot. So anyways, I am going to just drive back towards home. Hopefully this video comes off as inspirational to you guys, and hoping that you guys can use your free time in Doordash to kind of do what I did and like create other side hustles and like passive income, and use that. There's like Doordash and like delivery driving is the most lucrative thing you can do for money, basically, because you can make enough money to get by, as I did. I just made $2,000 a month, and then my businesses eventually grew to where they are making pretty good money. And just use that time like between or while you're dashing around to listen to audiobooks and like informational stuff, and hopefully my channel can come off as informational to you guys and you can learn stuff. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, check out my footwear company at offaxisathletics.com. That's the new website. Used to be Off Axis Acrobatics. And get yourself some awesome footwear. So use my discount code for 30% off. Discount code is OffAxisTanner. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.